Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super exciting one because I have a mini SHEIN craft haul to unbox with you all. Now listen, we all know SHEIN for clothes and accessories, but their craft section, surprisingly underrated. So I ordered a few crafting supplies that I've been wanting to try. Tools, dyes, balloons, paper, adhesives, basically a little bit of everything. The real question is, are these budget-friendly craft finds actually usable? Or are they just cheap and disappointing? Let's open everything together and find out. It's packed pretty tightly, lots of individual plastic sleeves, which is expected. I'm just going to start pulling things out one by one. Let's start with something fun. Okay, first item is a balloon hand pump. Now if you do anniversary decor, DIY backdrops, or birthday setups, this is something you need. Blowing up balloons by mouth? Absolutely not. It's lightweight but feels sturdy, the nozzle looks secure. It's double action too, which means it pushes air when you pull and when you push. That's a big plus. Next up is something delicate. These are paper strips for quilling. If you've never tried quilling, it's that beautiful paper art where you roll thin strips into shapes, flowers, swirls, patterns and glue them down. The strips feel evenly cut. That's important because uneven strips can ruin your design. The colors are vibrant too, not dull or faded. Now this one I was especially curious about, the Starry Planet paper. It's thin, almost tissue-like, but it has this gorgeous celestial print. This would be stunning for layering, journaling, scrapbooking, or card backgrounds. It is thin though, so you'd want to use a light adhesive or use cardstock to help with its firmness. Okay, next is the self-adhesive glue runner. If you do paper crafts, card making, scrapbooking, glue runners are lifesavers. This is a number balloon, perfect for milestone birthdays. Honestly, for birthday celebration decorators or even just parents planning birthdays, this is such a practical buy. So far, good start. Now we're getting into my favorite part, which are the dies. If you have a die cutting machine, you know how exciting new dies are. Let's start with this flower die. The detailing is beautiful, delicate petal cuts. This would layer really nicely. Next, the love die. The font is elegant, slightly script style. Perfect for Mother's Day cards, wedding cards, anniversaries and other special occasions. Oh, here's a tree die which I thought was adorable for pop-up cards. Very practical if you do custom birthday cards and other special occasions. Now the butterfly die set. I love that this comes in multiple sizes. Small butterflies are perfect for accent details, while the larger ones can be statement pieces. Same with the heart die set, some tiny hearts, some big bold ones. And I also ordered additional heart dies from another set. So now I basically have a full heart collection. Lots of individual plastic sleeves, which is expected. Then we have the leaf die set. These are great for layering under flowers to create dimension. Honestly, mixing the flower and leaf dies together would create gorgeous 3D card fronts. The metal feels thin but sturdy, not flimsy. The cut edges look sharp. So far, I'm impressed. Next is this flower stencil. The design is bold, which I like. It's not overly intricate, so it'll work well with ink blending. You could use this with ink pads, acrylic paint and texture pastes. And now, the sentiment dies. We've got thank you die, happy birthday die, another love die, slightly different font. These are supplies. If you're a card maker, you can never have too many sentiment dies. Different fonts create totally different vibes, modern, romantic, playful. Alright, let's talk honestly. Are these premium, top tier, professional grade craft supplies? No, but are they amazing for the price? Absolutely. Here's what stood out. The balloon pump actually works efficiently. The dies are detailed and versatile. The quilling strips are vibrant and evenly cut. The decorative paper is beautiful for layering. For budget crafting, beginner crafters, or people who love experimenting without spending a fortune, this haul is a win. I especially love the dies. I can already create floral birthday cards with butterflies and heart accents using these dies. You can always search my channel If you'd like to see me create special cards using these dies and papers, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to check out my affiliate links in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which item was your favorite from this haul. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace 'em out.